Hello friends, this is Manuraj here from Gadget Kada. Today I am here to show you how to install Nokia 7 camera in your MiA1 and enjoy all its features. So without further wasting any time, let's get started. Okay guys, to get started, first of all the interface of the camera looks pretty different as compared to the stock camera in MiA1. So coming to the features, the first one in the list is dual sight. Dual sight technology allows you to use both front and rear camera simultaneously. So let's check that out. So to use that, you can go to the settings and you can enable the dual camera mode, and as you can see here, you can use both the front and the rear cameras, and you can click pictures. You can even swap the front and the back cameras. So the pictures taken using this dual sight camera turn out to be pretty good, and it is like the clarity of the pictures are really good. So coming to the next feature, that is Pip mode. This allows you to use both the camera, and this feature will come in handy for all the vloggers out there, and this will help for people who are taking classes, so they also can use both the cameras so that they can interact with their audience. So coming to the next feature, that is HDR mode. That is similar to that of what we have in the stock camera. What it does is it actually captures 3 different photos of different exposures and combine it together to get a better photo. So it is like working pretty fine in this Nokia camera. So coming to the other features, you will get a settings menu where you can change the resolution and all those things, and we have a manual mode. I will say the manual mode is not that good as what we have in the stock camera. It is like it has limited features really. Anyways, you can try that out. Also get a panorama mode, and you can use that as well, and it works pretty fine. So coming to the installation part, you will get this APK directly from the HDR developer site. I will leave the link in the description. You can use that link to download the APK, and you can just install it and enjoy using this camera. So that's it guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share it to your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. So until next time, bye bye.